Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here using the Riviera ABH palette. So if you guys want to know how to get this look and follow along, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. I'm just applying my P. Louise base in the shade 1. I'm applying it all over the eye, all over to the brow bone. I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit. Don't let it crease because then all the colors are gonna crease. But I'm gonna show you guys my Riviera palette by Anastasia. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it all over the internet, all over Instagram, but these are the colors right here. And I am going to use mostly Canes, Bahamas, Monte Carlo, and then I'm also going to use Seychelles. I just went for those colors because those are the colors that attracted me to this palette. So first I'm going to use the shade Canes, and I'm going to use it with this eye shading brush. This is the E55 by Sigma, all over the crease. And if it gets on the lid, don't worry, we're gonna cut the crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease today. And don't let this color get too high up because I am gonna go in with the pink shade next, called Bahamas, which is a bright pink. I got inspired by this pink shirt right here. I'm going to use that with my Sigma diffuse crease, the E38. And then I'm going to blend out the purple. And don't let the shade get too high up either. And if this shade, the pink one, gets on the purple, don't worry, you can go back to the purple and add more color. And then I'm going to take a fluffier brush, the MAC 224, and I'm just going to go into Monte Carlo, which is right here. And I'm just going to blend everything out with that. I'm just going to go about there. I don't like to get it so high anymore. And then I'm going to add the purple once again. And then with the Sigma E38, I'm going to go into the pink, the Bahamas shade. And then blend again. I'm just going to cut the crease next. I'm going to use the Makeup Shack T6 brush to cut the crease. I'm just going to use the P. Louise base again. And now I can go into the Seychelles shade, apply it to the brush, just a flat brush. You can put MAC Fix Plus if you like. So I'm just going to put a little bit. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love the combination of these two colors, or three colors. It's like cotton candy. So cute. By the cut crease, like closer to the line, get a smaller brush. I'm just gonna grab this Anastasia one and start applying it closer to the crease. And then I'm gonna go in with the flat one, the Sigma E55 again, and then apply the purple all to the outer B. And then go back to the teal shade again, just to blend them out so there are no harsh lines. I'm going back to the pink shade and blending it out here. I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and I'll be right back to finish off with the lashes, and then at the end we'll do the lower lash line. I'm using the MAC 75 lashes. These are new and they are really nice. So I am done with the eyeshadow, as you can see, and I'm done with my face. For the lash line, I'm just gonna use the same colors that I used on top. The first color that I'm using on the lower lash line is this pink one right here, Bahamas. And I'm just gonna use it with the same brush that I used earlier. This one's gonna go all the way to the inner corner. And I'm just going to take the purple shade Canes and the outer corner here. So this one's not gonna go all the way to the inner corner. And then I take the brush that I had before and just blend it out. These are so nice. They're so perfect. They're like spiky where you can still see the look, you know, but they're still long. I'm just going to do this side off camera and then I'll show you guys the final look. I am done with the look. I just applied some mascara on the bottom lashes, but I am like digging this look. I loved all the colors. They all blended nicely. I didn't have any problems with any of the colors. Just a little bit with this shade right here, Canes. It was like leaving a little bit of a dot right there, but I packed it on until it didn't leave like an empty space. It was just separating a little bit. But other than that, all the shades that I used blended out really nicely. They're all really pigmented. And this shimmer shade, girl, look at that. It's just so amazing and pigmented. I did apply a little bit of Fix Plus, but you know, that always helps it make it look more metallic and more pigmented. So this shade was amazing. I can't wait to dig into the other shades. I am gonna use them off camera as always, but I'm going to probably use like the brown shades and this shade right here, but that'll be off camera. But this one that I used here, this one right here, this one, and then the green one, and then I put some of the white one on the brow bone. I just look like a cotton candy right now. But yeah, I hope you guys love this look. Let me know if you guys are going to recreate it. If you do, please tag me on Instagram. I will post you on my Instagram stories, and just hashtag makeup by adriiii. You know what to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I did list all the other products in the description box that I used on my face, so make sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.